In this tutorial, we're now going to actually set the game up to do something when the mole is touched. Okay, first thing we have to do is to select the image sprite. I'm going to set this to do something when it is touched. So we want when image sprite 1 dot touched. We'll drag that over. Okay. The first thing we're going to tell it to do is to update the score. So for this, we need to go to variable and choose set drop down box 2. Remember to set the drop down box to global score. And we need to then go to the maths component. And we need this here, the addition block. And what we need it to do is to actually update the score by 1. So for this, we need the variable to be selected. So we need to get global score from the variable section at the side here. Then we need to tell it just to add 1. So we then go to maths, choose the number block at the top here, and change that to 1. Okay. So we've now told it to update the score. We now need it to actually run the update score so it actually changes the label and to move the mole again. This is why we set up these procedures, so we didn't have to repeat all this code over and over again. So this time we go to procedures, we call move mole, and then we call update score. And there you have it. You've just now coded your app so that when the mole is touched, it updates the score, moves it again, and also updates the label to say what score it is. Okay, that is the end of this app. The extension to this task is I want you to have a go at actually setting it so that the mole actually gets quicker every time it's touched to add a bit of challenge to the game.